And don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
All right, Jeremiah here with RVFix. So we got one of our brand new 2025 Boulderback Go Lights here. So we are going to show you how to winterize this. Now it is going to be similar to the other Go Lights. Stuff just might be in different locations. But first thing we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to drain our hot water heater. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to relieve the pressure in here. So we've already turned off our water pump. We're not hooked up to city water. We're just going to open this relief valve and let that pressure drain off. Once that pressure is drained off, then you can pull your drain plug. If you don't relieve the pressure and you pull this drain plug first, it is going to shoot out here. It's going to hit you in the pants, and then everyone's going to think you wet your pants. We don't want that. We want to have a nice clean experience here. So I've already loosened this. It's a 15/16 socket. So we're just going to pull that. And it's going to kind of gurgle out here. But what we can do is we can open this relief valve and it's going to drain a lot faster. So we're going to let that drain, and while in the meantime we're going to go inside here and we're going to bypass that. The reason we're going to bypass that is because we don't want RV antifreeze getting inside the water heater. It's unneeded antifreeze, and you don't want it in there just grossing up your water tank. So we're going to close that valve, and we're going to close this valve. So now our water heater is bypassed. Our next step here is we're going to take that access panel off using our number 2 square tip, and we are going to access our water pump. Pull that off, and down here you can actually see there's a black valve right there. We're going to turn that valve, and it's going to turn 90 degrees. That's going to make it so the flow comes from this connection, which we're going to put into our antifreeze. Before we start pumping that, we do want to drain our fresh tank, which is outside. So we're going to go out, we're going to grab our gallons of antifreeze, and we're going to start draining our fresh tank. To do that, you got to open your door all the way, lift your stairs up. We're going to crawl down here. And we're going to be fast as possible because it's going to leak all over us. Pull our drain plug like so. Now what I do with these, it's the same thing we did with our water plug for our water heater, is I'm going to set this right in the bottom here. When we close the door, they're going to be there for when we're ready to summarize it in the spring. So we're just going to go ahead and close this up. Done with the water heater. I'm going to go grab our antifreeze, and we'll be back by the water pump to pump that in. All right, so we got our antifreeze here. We got our hose out. Now, this is RV antifreeze. So it's pink. That's another indicator that it's the right one. So this is good for your potable systems, and it is food grade basically. So that way, if you leave a little bit in the lines and you do ingest some of that, it will not harm you. Make you feel a little upset, but it's not going to kill you like car antifreeze would. The next step is we're going to remove this plug here. And we are going to shove the hose down in our antifreeze here. Then we're going to kick our water pump on, which is located right here. And as you can see, the level of antifreeze is going to go down. Now we're going to access our sink here. And we're going to go until we get pink coming out of our lines. So there we go. Move over to the other side. And do the same thing. So we're going to shut that off. Now with this one, they do make the line a little short, so you might have to finesse it a little bit. But we're going to come in here. I'll let him kind of stand over top of me here. And we're going to do the same thing with our toilet. Leave a little bit in there. Going to grab this. And we're going to want to put that down here on the drain So when we're operating that, it's gonna put antifreeze in our P-trap. So we got pink coming out of the cold there. We're gonna go to the hot. We're gonna do the same thing. We got pink coming out of there. That antifreeze is gonna drain down in that drain, and it's gonna winterize our P-trap. There is one more, so we're actually gonna swap here. We have to do our outside shower. This one is one that's usually overlooked because people don't use it very often. You're just gonna pull this out. We're gonna do the same thing. Try to not do it into the wind so it gets on you. Hot and cold. Nice pink out. And that is how you winterize your 2025 Go Lite Boulderback RV, or similar other Go Lites as well. If you have any other questions, give us a call.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.